I know you're here because you're done with Etsy fees. Done outsourcing patches that take 3 weeks to arrive. You want to embroider in-house, take control of your margins, and actually keep the profit. Here's the problem: 2026 is the most confusing year ever to buy a commercial embroidery machine. Brother just dropped the PR1060W, a 10-needle beast with wireless monitoring and 1000 built-in designs. Starting at number 1. Smartstitch S1502HC Beast Embroidery Machine. The Smartstitch S1502HC 2-head Beast Embroidery Machine is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment specifically designed to cater to the needs of embroidery businesses looking to increase efficiency and productivity. This innovative machine allows users to embroider 2 items simultaneously, effectively cutting production time in half. This dual functionality not only streamlines the workflow but also significantly boosts profitability for embroidery operations. One of the standout features of the S1502HC is its robust C-type machine body, which is engineered to provide exceptional stability and strength during high-speed embroidery processes. This stability is crucial, as vibrations or rocking can compromise the quality of the stitching. Therefore, the heavy and sturdy construction of the machine serves as a reliable assurance for users who are making a substantial investment in their embroidery equipment. Number 2. POOLIN EOV 15 Needle Cap Embroidery Machine. The POOLIN EOV 15 Needle Cap Embroidery Machine is a versatile and compact solution ideal for small businesses and home shops. This multi-needle machine is designed to handle both cap and flat embroidery projects, making it suitable for a variety of applications in the embroidery industry. Key features include: the machine allows for quick and efficient color changes, enabling a more streamlined embroidery process and the ability to create intricate, colorful designs without the need for constant thread adjustments. Its design makes it easy to fit into smaller workspaces, perfect for home-based operations or businesses with limited room while still maintaining a significant level of functionality. This software enhances user experience by providing intuitive design capabilities, allowing users to easily create and customize embroidery designs before transferring them to their machine. Number 3. Smartstitch S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine. Best machine to start an embroidery business. The S1501 Commercial Embroidery Machine is designed for entrepreneurs looking to dive into the world of embroidery. Featuring 15 needles, this machine boasts a substantial 14-inch by 20-inch embroidery area, allowing for larger designs and greater creativity. With a maximum stitching speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, SPM, it enables efficiency and productivity, making it a suitable choice for businesses. The S1501 includes a remarkable 12-inch touch screen that enhances user interaction, simplifying the operation for embroidery design and machine control. The wide-angle cap system and laser positioning features further facilitate the accuracy and effectiveness of your projects, while the automatic color change ensures you save time in switching between thread colors. The journey to mastering a commercial embroidery machine can be daunting, but with the S1501, assistance is readily available. By joining our community, known as the Smartstitch Embroidery Machine Club, you gain access to a professional support team and a network of thousands of experienced users. Number 4. By the Vision 15 Needle Commercial Embroidery Machine. The Vision is meticulously engineered for business owners who prioritize output, stability, and revenue generation from their operations. This advanced machine is designed to convert digital commands into rapid, precise stitches, enabling businesses to complete orders swiftly, consistently, and profitably, day after day. Its innovative design ensures that productivity is maximized, allowing business owners to focus on growing their bottom line. One of the standout features of the Vision is its remarkable 10-year lifespan. It has been engineered with long service life in mind, utilizing a robust welded construction, high-quality premium components, and a simplified maintenance process. This thoughtful design allows the machine to operate reliably for up to an entire decade in busy production environments. By spreading the investment cost over this extended period, the real cost per day becomes surprisingly affordable for a machine that is dedicated to generating revenue. Number 5. Smartstitch S1501 Plus Beast Embroidery Machine. The S1501 Plus Beast embroidery machine boasts an impressive larger embroidery area measuring 24 inches by 16 inches, 600 mm x 400 mm, significantly enhancing the capabilities of your embroidery business. This spacious work area is perfect for creating intricate designs on various items, including jackets, applique, tablecloths, bed sheets, rugs, and picture embroidery, catering to the unique demands of your customers. The larger embroidery area also facilitates quilting on the machine, making it a versatile addition to your equipment. One of the standout features of this machine is its upgraded capability for embroidering caps and hats. The machine is equipped with an advanced cap driver formulated using reinforced nylon and carbon fiber, which ensures durability and efficiency. Additionally, it features a raised needle plate and a rotating trimming system devoid of a picker, allowing for seamless embroidery without interruptions. The direct vertical guiding system and a 270 degrees cap rotation further enhance the fluidity and speed at which the machine operates, making it ideal for high-speed productions while maintaining stability and minimizing noise levels. I've linked every single machine we covered down below, with current pricing, dealer availability, and exactly what's included in the starter kits, because some of those bundles are actually deals, and some are just marketing fluff. If you click through and buy, it doesn't cost you an extra cent, but it helps me keep testing these expensive machines so you don't have to learn the hard way.